Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to go to the personalization section, wallpapers. You can select one of the live wallpapers, one of the static pre-installed wallpapers. Okay, maybe you can't, or you can just go to you can just go to the photos and select any other image that you can download from the internet, or just take it with your camera and set it as a wallpaper like this. Here you can adjust your image. Okay, some strange feature, no idea what it was. So here you can adjust your image, then tap apply. Then you can set it on a home screen or on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.